let's look at the if-else statement. Now, the if statement can only handle the true value of a Boolean. So what about the false value? So let's just create some random numbers here real quick. Per not just to know what they are. They're going to be 0 through 9. Now, we could deal with the false using the not operator. So if x is greater than y, it prints that out. Well, what if it's not greater than y? Well, here we use the not. So if this was false, this will end up being true because not true. So sorry, not false is true. So that handles it, but that's not exactly an efficient way to handle it. So instead, let's use the else statement, which handles the false value of a Boolean. So here we go. An if statement here, x is greater than y, it's only got two possibilities. Either it's true or it's false. So the if part handles the true value. The else handles the false. So now I'm handling both situations. I can control it based on whether it's true or false. I can control where it goes. So just like an if statement, if I use braces, we can handle more than one line of code. So I can put braces in here, and then I can add more lines of code. So like we can print more stuff to the screen. Now, you have to be careful with an else. It has to be the first line of code after the if is finished. So here I have it commented out. I'll uncomment in a sec to prove my point. So notice there's no braces here. Remember, if statement's going to run one line of code, so it's really more like this. So this line is separating the if and the else. Let me demonstrate that. Compile it. See how the else isn't even highlighted? And it gives me an error. So let's comment that back out. All right, let's run this and demonstrate that it's doing what we say it's doing. And there we go. So x is 7, y is 3, z is 7. So x is greater than y, not x is greater than z. So x greater than y, 7 is greater than 3. X greater than z, 7 is equal to 7, so that's false, but it's not, so it's true. And you can see it prints off more stuff. And that is the end of this lesson.